Hi everyone, welcome back to our Easy English Speaking Practice video.
Today is a special day because Tom and I are going camping in the countryside.
Yes, we're both excited.
Everyone, let's have fun and learn English together.
Let's start our camping trip adventure.
Tom, let's plan what we need for camping.
Sure. First, we need a tent.
Right. And we need sleeping bags.
Do we need a flashlight too?
Yes, definitely. It gets dark in the countryside.
Should we bring chairs?
Maybe not. They're heavy.
True. Let's sit on a picnic mat instead.
Good idea. It feels cozy.
Do we need cooking tools?
No, let's keep it simple today.
Okay, this sounds easy and fun.
Tom, are you finished packing?
Not yet. I always pack slowly.
What's inside your bag?
Water bottles, a jacket, and my camera.
You brought your camera? Nice.
Yes, I want to take beautiful pictures.
Good. Did you pack snacks?
Oh, I forgot.
Tom, you always forget snacks.
That's why I need you.
Okay, I'll pack extra snacks for both of us.
Thank you, Lina. You're a lifesaver. Lina, should we check the weather for today?
Yes, I hope it's sunny.
It says sunny and cool.
Perfect for camping.
No rain today.
Wonderful. I don't want wet shoes.
Me neither. Wet shoes feel terrible.
Very true. Should we bring umbrellas?
Maybe, just in case.
Good idea. It's better to be safe.
Okay, the weather looks good and we are ready.
Tom, let's buy some fruit before we go.
Sure. How about bananas?
Yes, bananas are easy to eat.
What about apples?
Good choice. Apples stay fresh.
Should we buy bread?
Yes, bread is simple for lunch.
Do you want something sweet?
Always. Maybe chocolate?
Camping with chocolate sounds perfect.
Okay, we have fruit, bread, and chocolate.
We are ready to go.
Wow, Lina, look around. This place is beautiful.
Yes, the hills are so green.
And the air smells so fresh.
Much better than the city.
I can hear birds singing.
And look, there's a small river over there.
This is a perfect camping place.
Tom, do you feel relaxed already?
Yes, very relaxed.
Me too. Nature makes me happy.
Same here. Let's enjoy this day.
Tom, where should we set up our tent?
How about under that big tree?
It gives nice shade.
And the ground looks flat.
That's important for sleeping.
Should we face the tent toward the river?
Yes, I want to see the water.
Okay, let's choose this spot.
Good choice, Tom.
Thank you, Lina.
Let's start building.
Lina, can you hold this pole?
Yes, I got it.
I'll pull the fabric straight.
Is this the right way?
I think so.
Tom, are you sure?
Maybe not.
Let's check the instructions.
Good idea. Instructions save lives.
Okay. Pole A goes into slot A.
Oh, now it makes sense.
See? Teamwork.
And patience. Lots of patience.
Wow, the tent looks great inside.
Yes, it feels cozy.
Let's put our sleeping bags in here.
I'll put mine on the left.
And I'll take the right side.
Do you want a pillow?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I can't wait to sleep here tonight.
Me too. It feels like a small home.
Lina, let's walk around the campsite.
Great idea.
Look, the river is so clear.
I can see the rocks under the water.
And the birds are singing loudly.
Yes, it sounds beautiful.
Nature is amazing.
I agree. I feel peaceful here.
Same here. Should we explore more?
Yes, let's go.
Tom, can you take a picture of me?
Of course. Stand near the river.
Okay, tell me when.
Ready? Smile.
Cheese!
Nice picture.
Thank you. Take one more.
Sure. Do a fun pose.
Makes a silly pose.
That's perfect.
Now I'll take a photo of you.
Okay, I'll try to look cool.
Good luck with that.
Lina, are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Let's make lunch.
What should we eat first?
Bread and fruit?
Sounds good.
Do you want an apple or a banana?
Banana, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
This is a simple lunch, but I like it.
Simple food tastes good in nature. This banana tastes fresh.
And the apple is sweet.
The air makes the food taste better.
Yes, eating outside feels special.
Do you want some chocolate?
Oh, yes, please.
Here, but don't eat too much.
Why?
Because I want some too.
Okay, we can share.
Good idea.
Lina, I'm feeling sleepy.
Me too. Let's rest under the tree.
This shade feels so nice.
And the wind is cool.
I love this quiet moment.
Yes, it's peaceful here.
Do you hear that?
What?
Just the sound of nature.
It's beautiful.
I could stay here all day.
Same here. Let's relax for a while. Tom, do you want to walk on that small trail?
Yes, it looks interesting.
Be careful. The ground is a bit uneven.
Got it. I'll walk slowly.
Look at these wildflowers.
They're so colorful.
And look, there's a tiny wooden bridge.
Wow, this area is beautiful.
Nature surprises us.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. Let's keep exploring.
Lina, look at the sky.
Wow. It's turning orange and pink.
This is one of the best sunsets I've seen.
Me too. It feels magical.
Should we take a photo?
Yes, but let's enjoy the moment first.
Good idea.
The air is getting cooler now.
I'll get my jacket soon.
This is what I love about camping.
Peaceful and beautiful.
Tom, can you turn on the flashlight?
Sure. It's getting dark.
Let's sit near the campfire.
It feels warm.
And I can hear crickets.
The stars are so bright tonight.
Yes, I can see many of them.
Camping at night is cozy.
Do you want more chocolate?
No thanks. I should stop.
Good idea.
This is a perfect evening. Lina, today was amazing.
Yes, we had such a fun day.
We hope you learned useful English today.
And we hope you enjoyed our camping trip.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe for more videos.
We will see you next time.
Good night, everyone.